Welcome to the demo from Canarys Automation. In this video, I would like to describe a bot on the process we are building is to read the latest email in the user Outlook inbox that has new task as the subject line. The prerequisites are Excel sheet and RPA challenge website. In this flowchart, to start the flow, then it will go to Outlook, then read the latest email, then it will go to save the first attachment from first mail. The attachment is Excel format, then it will go to get data. In this extra data from Outlook, the first email in the generated list should be processed. Then it will go to process data. In this process data to entering into the online form, then it will go to stop the flow. I am using get data, then it will go to get latest task Outlook mail messages. Then it will go to save last task mail attachment. Then it will go to mail messages variable like index is 0. Then it will go to read user data range, then read the download excel attachment. Lastly, we want to pass generated data table to process data workflow by using argument like out dt user data. I am using process data, then it will go to browser, it's showing RPA challenge website, then it will go to for each row in user data. We need to loop through the rows of information stored in the data table to iterative structures in the variable argument. We must add an argument like in dt user data. Then it will go to first name. In type of this field, we will get the text value associated with the current row name column and convert it into string data type and then call split method. We'll specify index of 0 to get text associated with the first half of the split string. Then it will go to last name. We will specify the index of 1 to the second half of the split string. Then it will go to role in the company, then click submit form. In this main, I am using invoke get data workflow. I am adding new variable named as dt user data. Then it will go to invoke process data workflow. I am again adding new variable called dt user data. Let's run this bot. It's opening the RPA challenge website. It's adding first name, last name, role in company. Here my bot is executed properly. Thank you. For more informative video, do like subscribe our channel.